Apply mortar adhesive over the wall to cover. Line up and apply the pearl sheet over the adhesive and then clean the excess glue from grout joints. Make sure the surface is smooth and clean. To apply grout to a pearl sheet, force grout mix into the joints until they are full using a rubber grout float. Then remove the excess. After grout hazes over, use a damp sponge or cheesecloth towel to remove excess grout from top of pearl tile sheet. Then clean with circular moves using a white synthetic fibre scouring pad. Repeat steps 4 and 5 as long as you want until you obtain the desired grout finish. Finally, after grout dries, clean the top with a dry white synthetic fibre scouring pad. Then the original shine and colour of the material will be revealed.